Page 32, QNE. Defined as the standard atmospheric pressure setting of 1013.25 hectopascal. Once the pilot is approximately 25 nautical miles away from the original reference point that the QNH was obtained from, or has passed through the transition altitude, which is discussed in a later section of this training manual, the pilot will change their altimeter setting from QNH to QNE. The international standard atmospheric pressure setting of 1013.25 hectopascals, known as QNE, is used universally by all pilots in flight to ensure that their vertical height reference corresponds to a common setting when the atmospheric pressure setting is no longer reliable or available. When the pilot applies this change to their altimeter setting, the altimeter needles will adjust accordingly and indicate a resultant height based on the selected QNE setting. Due to the fact that 1 hectopascal is the equivalent of 30 feet referenced to the altimeter, the original setting will have been affected by this change, with the result that the pilot will now either have to climb or descend to adjust the actual height that they wish to continue flying at, especially if they were already maintaining their cruising altitude prior to the pressure setting transition. Once the pilot has made their relevant adjustments to correspond with their intended height on the QNE setting, they will continue to transmit their height as a flight level. Anyone hearing a pilot broadcasting the term flight level in their relevant transmission will reference this height to the standard QNE setting.